Hello dear students, today in social studies we are going to start the explanation of dance forms in India. Before that, I would like to tell you what is dance and why it is important in our culture. See, dance has traditionally been an important part of our culture and religion. In India, according to the legends, the gods invented dance. Dancing is one of the most revered Hindu arts because it incorporates melody, drama, etc. Now, in India, the laws of classical dance is laid down means being mentioned in an ancient book which is known as Natya Shastra. Now, here what is the meaning of Natya Shastra? Natya means act and Shastra means rule. So, that is why this book is known as Natya Shastra. Now, let us start the explanation given in your book, that is, classical dances of India follow the laws of dance laid down in an ancient book called the Natya Shastra, as I told you, the book of rules and regulations. The 7 major classical dance styles of India are. Now, according to this book Natya Shastra, there are only 7 classical dance forms in India. They are Bharatnatyam from Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, Kathakali from Kerala, Manipuri from Manipur, Kathak from Uttar Pradesh, Odissi from Odisha, Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh, and Satriya from Assam. Other than these, we have many folk dances from different parts and regions. Now, students, what is folk dance? See, as we had studied yesterday, like the folk music which is used to express happiness and to celebrate festivals. So, here different dance forms are from the different region or from the states which is used to express happiness or which are being played on the times of festivals. Some of these are Gidda and Bhangra from Punjab, Garba and Dandiya Ras from Gujarat, Ghumar and Nautanki from Rajasthan, and so on. Now coming to the next heading, that is UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India. See, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, adopted an international treaty called the Convention Concerning the Protection of the World Cultural and Natural Heritage in 1972. It seeks to identify, protect and preserve cultural and natural heritage around the world that is considered to have outstanding value to humanity. India has 38 UNESCO World Heritage Sites as on August 2019, of which 30 are cultural, 7 are natural and 1 is both cultural and natural site like Kanchenjunga National Park.